If your Dodge Durango's Uconnect infotainment system starts freezing, lagging, or glitching, it can interrupt everything from navigation to music and phone calls. Uconnect is the central hub for your vehicle's connectivity, so when it acts up, it feels like the whole dashboard slows down. Fortunately, most issues are software related and can be fixed with a simple reset before considering dealership service. Important steps: 1. Always pull over safely and engage the parking brake before attempting any reset. 2. For a soft reboot, press and hold the power button on the touchscreen for 10 to 15 seconds until the system restarts. 3. If the issue continues, go to Settings, then System, and select Reset Options to perform a factory reset. And 4. You can also press the volume up, volume down, and tuner knob together for about 10 seconds to trigger a hard reset. 5. Check for available over-the-air firmware updates, especially on 2021 and newer models. 6. Scan for error codes using an OBD2 tool and check for any active recalls related to Uconnect.